sengilahlile igross yami ya 40 rand. R40 cash. Angiyazi ngizosebenzisa le. Ngiya 40 rand. Angazi noma ngilahlile. Ungenzeni? Oh, there you go. Oh. I go. Then I little closer, 40 rand. 45 rand. Yo. Hey girls. Ooh. How are you nalenhle.mkhize? Manje nalenhle ngoba ngiyakuthanda sizoyithini le ndaba. Mina angithandi umuntu. Ngedlala. Angithandi ukuthandwa. Hello beautiful. Hi. Good afternoon. Afternoon. Ke batla dijo. Ke lapile. Nna ke batla dijo ke lapile. Ke batla pizza. Te pones pizza? Ke a batla. Kahle futhi hayi ngoba ngihlalela ipizza. Ngibonile lo munye umfana la TikTok on my For You page. I was like, "Oh, lo udla pizza." Ngizayihlanela. Hayi ngoba bekusuka enhlizweni uthi ngifuna ipizza. Angiyifuni ipizza. Bengingasuka enhlizweni ukukhala. Ngibonile lo munye umfana la ku TikTok. Ngayifuna ipizza. For the pizza. I'm the pizza myself. Ngeke khehla ngeke. Ngeke khehla ngeke. I'm your pizza son Sam. Ay. Angahle ngifuna ngikhuluma into serious la. Ngifuna ungitshela Kuba izinto serious la. Ngifuna ipizza yamampela. Yeke lokukhala ngecheese. Woza la. Ngalahla kushila igross yami 40 rand. Bani uzongithengela lip gloss. Ngathi nomkhwenyana engingamazi nokuthi uye kade fethe yambile. Hi. Hello. Kawazelo yaphila. Udlala uCapitec mama. Bhala la account number yami. Ngizobizela yona manje. Uyibhala lapha. Ungifake no 100 rand mfethu ngithenga ipizza. Oh, mina. Singitshengisa. Screenshot ami. Ningifake noma bandla ngiyanicela. Yabo? Miss Mkhize. Ningifake noma 100 rand ngithenga ipizza. Ngiyanicela. How? Where are you from? I'm from KZN. Ningithengele ipizza ningispoil nje. Kanye. Ngiyafaka manje ngilindile. Ngifuna ukubona, ngifuna notification ingene la plus 100 rand into savings account. Plus 100 rand. Your account number is. It's not that, it's a shame. That's your account. No, this is not my account number. Your account number, hello. That is not my account number. Hawu usuqalile-ke wena. Siphonge esingaka. Why are you always rude? I'm not rude. I'm not rude, Mina. Hi, Sissy. What foundation do you use? I do not use makeup. Well, I haven't started using makeup. So, like, I don't know, like, which foundation works best for my type of skin or for people with my skin type. But when I do start using makeup, I'll plug you guys. I'm gonna start using makeup when I know how to do my own makeup. Snow White, that's not my name. My name is nalenhle. Ewen, actually, account number am le. Fan mali ku account number am. Yo, running file. Zithandwa zam. Nanti bekele la. I-live izovitshengisa nje. Sorry. Yeah, so kuningi ndlela zengikathelo manje. You're so beautiful, Mkhize. Uyangichaza and okay, thank you so much. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. You're beautiful. Thank you. You're so beautiful. Wow, thank you. Hi, buhle sis. Ngiyabonga. Love your lashes. Thank you so much. I'm so sorry for yawning. Thank you. How much were your lashes? 300? Long time, Mkhize. It's been a while. I haven't been live streaming. I've been stressed about academics. Kodwa ngizoya ekhaya soon. Ngiyafuna ukubona ingubo yami. Yinhle. Well, mina ngicabanga ukuthi yinhle. So, whatever. What do you use on your skin? No. Lip gloss and anyways, on my skin I use Garnier. Hey bo, ihlisa yini manje exposure. Kwenzakalani? Oh yo. I love the applicator of this gloss. This is the gloss. It's from Smudge. So look at the applicator. It's so cute. Ugh. Look. How cute is that? My friend put me onto this. But I don't think it was this color, ne? I don't think she had this color in particular. But since she put me onto the brand. Wipe the camera. My husband's all beningibona kwiphupho bengathi ngisephupheni. What if it okay, so they're saying that my live contains content that might be sensitive. Angazi ngenzeni, so ngizohamba bengazibothi account yami kuyanirata. Bye.